Welcome back, student villagers. RA Christina here, and today I'm going to talk about the laundry room and how to do laundry. Hopefully you've been in this room since you moved in and you've done your laundry, but if not, I'm going to show you today. So, we have washing machines and drying machines. We got these kind of washing machines and then these kind of washing machines. They're two different ones. I'm going to show you how to use both of them today. I'm going to use my laundry as an example. So, there's different ways to do laundry, obviously. But, what I like to do is just separate my towels and my clothes. I don't know why I choose that, but I do. You could separate by, darks and whites. Okay. So now that I have everything in my two washing machines, my towels and my clothes, I'm going to show you the incorrect way of putting in your clothes. This is the incorrect way. As you can see, there's a lot more clothes on this side and not on this side. That makes it imbalanced. So you want to make sure there's an equal amount of clothes on both sides. And then once you're sure, we can move to the detergent and stuff like that. Now, in sake of showing you both ways, I have powdered detergent and then I have liquid softener. Now, one of the biggest laundry marketing scams in history is these freaking cups. Look how big that is, people. You do not need this much soap. So for the softener, literally all you need is a shot. Just go 1, 2, 1, 2, you're done. This is how much is in the cup. There's not a lot in the cup. That's all you need. And then with the dry detergent, they give you this big cup. And then all you need is this much. It's 1 tablespoon. I used it out of my dry measuring cup measurements, so I use that instead. You know how much money you could save? You don't need a lot of soap. So, I'm gonna get my 1 tablespoon, and I'm just gonna sprinkle it in there evenly all around. And then I'm gonna take my softener and just make sure I get it all around. That's how you do that one. This one is different. So once you got all your stuff loaded, you're gonna shut the door, and then this pulls out. And then as you can see over here, this says detergent on this side, and this says fabric softener. If you're using liquid bleach, it goes up on top. So again, all you need, 1 tablespoon of dry softener, of dry detergent. And, since I'm using dry detergent, actually, this goes inside. My bad. But yeah, sprinkle it all inside. If you were using liquid detergent, it would go up top. But for the sake of this example, it goes in there. And then again, just a 1, 2. Don't need that much. That goes in the fabric softener. I didn't really know that you only needed that little, because you just fill up the whole cup. That makes most sense. And I realized how much money I wasted. Even this, that's a lot. That's how much I feed my dog and dog food. Okay, that was stupid. Anyway, so you're gonna shut both of these, and to turn it on, I just press normal and make sure it's warm water, and then I press start. It's on for 28 minutes. This one, mixed, warm, normal, start. That is on for 34. Whatever the timer says on that, you're gonna put a timer on your phone, so when it's done, you can come over and switch it to the dryer. Because listen, if you don't get your laundry in time, I could almost guarantee, if it's at a busy time, somebody's going to take your laundry out. While that is going on, I'm going to tell you about the rest of the room. Over here are 2 vending machines. One's for drinks and one is for snacks. If they are ever broken or the power goes out, don't try to steal the stuff. There's a security camera right up there. We will see you. We will catch you. We will find you. It's happened before, and consequences will be served. Also, if you have any dead batteries, you put them in here. We want to be good for the environment. This is how we do that. And then this bucket right here is for lost and found. So if there are any like socks or a pair of shorts in between the wash and dry and you see it, just put it up here. It's the easiest way to do things. A trash can right here for your dryer sheets or your empty containers. Clean up after yourself, people. That's all I ask. And notice how you see me wearing a mask in here. Masks are still required in the laundry room. Wear your mask. We gotta be room strong if we want to stay at the student village. So when your timer goes off saying that your washer is done, you're gonna open the washers up and bring everything from the washers into the dryers. I like to leave these doors open because it just shows that nobody's using them. So both of them are open, and now I'm gonna go to the dryers. Another money saving tip is that if you use drying sheets, only use one. There's no need to use more than that. So I put one in each. And then also, before I close the door, I always check the lint traps because it's very important. They prevent fires, very important safety measure. So I take all the lint out, no matter how little, I always do it. And then to just put it back in, you're just gonna slide it right back into the thing. And then you throw the lint away into the garbage can like the responsible residents we are. So once that's done, we're gonna shut it. And these dryers are kind of iffy. So I mean, you could do normal medium heat, but you're taking a risk of how dry it's actually going to be when it's done. I usually just go safe way and do heavy duty high heat. It does nothing to your clothes, just make sure that they're dry. So while that is drying, a little tip is that there are 4 laundry rooms, 1 on each floor. You don't have to use the one on your floor. I mean, you could go upstairs or downstairs, whichever one is empty. It's up to you. So keep that in mind if all the washers are taken or something. And also, on the weekends, the washer and dryers get used a lot because I mean, that's when we have our free time, the weekends, to do our laundry. So if you plan it out right, get your laundry to do once a week during a weekday, late at night, early in the morning, your better chances of getting a free washer and dryer. Go onto your phone, set a timer for 60 minutes. So when 60 minutes is over, you could come and get your stuff so nobody takes it out and puts it on the table. So once your stuff is done, be sure to get the lint out. Throw it in the trash. And then you can get your stuff out. And then once all your stuff is out, you're done. I leave the doors open to say that they're available to use. That's pretty much it. Thanks for doing my laundry with me today. I hope you learned something useful. Oh, thank you to RA Moses for helping me film this. That's it.